Hi, I'm a Mac.
And I'm a PC.
Well, PC, have you lost some weight?
I sure have. I'm on this European Windows side, which reduces my media player to 0. The only side effect is this weird accent. But now I can do this. Man, I'm so awesome.
Yeah, you're the best, PC.
So Mac, have you played any cool games lately?
No, just because I have a game deficiency doesn't mean I'm less of a computer. People still find me quite entertaining.
Yeah, as entertaining as a paperweight?
You're a jerk, PC. I can't believe we shared a desk once.
You're right, I'm sorry. Hey, wanna play Minesweeper?
That does it, PC. I will no longer support your files.
Oh no, don't do this to me, Mac. Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just forwarding you an email. You should check out the attachment.
Oh, I hope it's porn.
Ha! In your face, PC. PC? I was just kidding. Hello? PC, yeah, you're alright. Oh, crap. Control-Delete? Oh no. Oh no. I think I broke him. I better get the hell out of here before he comes back.
And I'm a PC. Wait, what just happened? You tried to kill me, you son of a...